Good morning, everyone. Today I'm having a day of picking up and organizing. My sister's coming to visit at the end of the month and the last week of the month. So it's like I want my room a little bit cleaned up and hopefully a lot cleaned up by the time she gets here. And anyway, I have these Temu dies that I need to put away. And so that's what I was gonna do today. But then I grabbed this because I thought, oh, I'm gonna need this book. Well, I put my letters in here, and after I did it, I couldn't find them. Because when I first did letters, I put them in here, just my first two sets. And then afterwards, I just like put them in here, and then it's like I kind of forgot that they were in there. But anyway, I realized that it's like I think, well, one is words, so they'll end up being in there. This I need to take off here. This I can't put in there because it's like, it's a full sheet and it stays like that. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8 letters, and some of them are like the small letters of the capitals. So I've just got 8 in here, and it's full. So I'm thinking this is not a good plan, and I don't like having to dump them out just to put them back in there. So I thought I kind of like the Altoids thing. It's like, okay, so I'm decided I'm gonna put them back in here. And I just happen to have this little drawer. It's from IKEA, and I have it in my room, and all the drawers were full, but I thought they really don't need to be. The stuff is in there that I don't even use. I really need to clean out the whole thing. But anyhow, I just emptied out one, and I can put 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 letters in here, or alphabets. And so I thought, well, I'm gonna just do that. And so what I decided to do is, let's see, I'm gonna put them upside down so I don't have to look at the hinges. So I'm gonna put them in there like this. So, well, I'll probably still want them like this. So I'll still put them like this way. So I pulled out my little trusty card that I made, and it has all my corner rounders, and then I can decide, which one fits us best. And the one that actually fits it perfectly is the Creative Memories one. So I grabbed that, and so I'm gonna round them. So I'm calling this my cleaning and organizing letters. I don't know if I'll get any further than that. So I wonder if just gluing this with this glue will work, because I've glued them on here before, but I don't remember what I used. Well, actually, maybe I don't want to glue it first, because if this doesn't work, I don't want to have to mess with it afterwards. So I can actually just put my letters in here and go from there. Because what I've done is, and see, these ones I actually cut out other letters. So I'll put these in with my color embellishments, and I'll end up giving these a number or something so I can refer to them. Right now, I just wrote on them that they're my favorites. So I'm gonna put them in here. And I haven't even punched out all the letters yet. So what I'm going to do is I've punched out or die cut all the letters. And I don't know if this has numbers or not. No, yes, it does have numbers. Yeah, I just said that, didn't I? So I'm gonna put this up at the top, and then later on I will add numbers to the bottom. So every one I'm gonna put just ABC at the top, because that way I can see the font. I'll be real happy with that. Oh, my door sounds like it's Halloween. And do I have my tweezers here? Yes, I do, because my husband was using them He went outside and he was cleaning out there, and he's like, the back of the air conditioning is, the filter looks all dirty. He says, you got something that will fit in there? And he's like, oh, I kind of want to pull it out. It's like, I'm thinking, if I couldn't just, scrape it off and vacuum it off, I wouldn't be happy. But he took a tweezers and pulled it all off. I said, now you got to clean it. So we did. Okay. So I'm going to put this to the top so I can put numbers at the bottom. I'm looking to center that B, even though if it's not perfect, it'll be okay, because this is just storage. But I do want it to look nice because I like my little drawers, even though I haven't been using them. So I'll be actually achieving 2 goals here. Using my little drawers for something that I actually use instead of just storing something. I mean, I don't even know what's in there. I think I have extra scissors in there, and extra paper, and I had scissors and pencils in the one thing, and it's like, do you know how many pencils I go through in a year? 0. They last forever. I just have to get new erasers because erasers quit. So I'm just going to do that and stick it on the inside for right now, and then I will actually glue it on the top because I might need a different glue, so I'll see. And so I'm going to do that with each of them, and then I will number them when I decide if, well, I don't know if I'll actually need a number or not. Oh, I might need a number for when I put these in my color container. That would be the only reason why I would need it, I guess. So I could put a number on it someplace. So this one has capitals and small, and I'm putting them both in the same container. So if you like videos like this, let me know. I love to see organizing and storage videos, just because we have to store all our crafts, and I like to be able to have things in an orderly fashion, and so I do love to watch these kind of videos. So I figure I'll do a couple, and then I will pause and finish them up, and then come back and show you what I've got done. And like I said, right now I only have 8. So, because the one I will have to leave in here, that's the full sheet. So I'm going to put that like that. So the one that's the full sheet, or it's all connected, I won't be able to put in here, but I will put it at the beginning of my regular dies, because my other dies were all alphabetical. But I thought once I put these in a binder, it was its own binder because it was too full already. It takes up a lot of room. And even though it'll still be taking up a lot of room, it's room that I wasn't utilizing anyway. And I'd rather take them out of, I'd rather either I can look at them through the tin, if they're small, if they're, I still might have to dump them out. But to me, it's like the baggie was a hassle, and I couldn't just throw them in here loose. And I don't mind doing it if I'm making embellishments. But the letters I want to use, sometimes I want to use them every day. The letters are my new favorite thing, especially since I got my faves, the one I call favorites. I really love those. And so I just cut out, the ABC. I figured that was enough. And then, I will do like 1, 2, 3 of the ones that's got letters, but I thought this was a good start. And I don't know how many, I think I have at least 2 that have numbers. So we'll add those. Woo! Got away from me. And I've saved my mint tins forever because I've stored stuff in them before. And so it's like, I just kind of stick them in there, and sometimes me and the kids will do a craft that it's like, oh, we're gonna decorate a mint tin for you to put something that, you know, might have been something else that we made. So then, it's something that we do. And now these ones, I don't think I've used this very many times. Only the letters that I punched out. Sometimes I'll punch out a whole set before I actually take them apart. So there's one more. Okay, so I'm gonna pause and then I'll come back. Look at this one. Looks very old, so I don't even know. It's not even textured like this one, so I don't even know where that one came from. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got all the letters taken out of here with the exception of this one that's a complete plate. So you got to punch the whole thing out. And I actually have it in capital and small letters. And it looks like writing, so it's really cute. And then this one is, it actually goes to, or I got it at the same time as this set. And this is from Scrapbook.com. And so I've got it capitals, smalls, and then I have the numbers. So I think I'll go ahead and put the numbers. I might just stick them in here with the smalls, but I'll have to pull them off here. Make sure they're not sticky. So, and then I have this that's words. So these will stay in here. This one I will get out of here. And then tomorrow I'll come back and put away my dies. So if you want to join me for that. I ended up with one thing left, and I think I have just 2 that doesn't have letters in them. So that one's tough. I might not use that one. But I'm going to stick this card in here to glue on the top. Oh, and I did just use the Scotch Quick Dry, and it's holding it quite well. So I think that's no problem. Oh, and I ended up putting them in there all this way, so when I pull them up, I'm looking right at the letters. I like that better. Oh, I had one letter get away. Well, okay. Sometimes they're a little bit curved, you know, like concaved, and then you got to have like extra glue, I noticed. So let me fix that. Don't want my A missing. And I might give them an order just so that when, you know, I put the extras in with my colors, then, you know, then I have them. Or like this is this set. I wonder if I could just put them in there. No, if I had it smaller, I could. So maybe I will work that out. Otherwise, I'll just put them in with my colors. But I like them. I think they look great. And I'm doing them, let's see. I know I had like a color coded. Yeah, I have my favorites go first. So I've got it green, and then the cinnamon, and then I got green and then cinnamon. And so there's those Scrapbook.com. And these ones I bought off Amazon. And that's those ones that they look stitched. And I think those are super cute. And then I have capitals and smalls in this writing. Oh, it looks like writing. Oh. I think I have capitals and smalls in that. I don't know what I did with them. Okay. Oh, just capitals, I guess, in them. Okay. So I have that in there. And then these ones, they're those really tall ones, so I had to put the letters on this way. But I like it in there. I mean, even if I take it out, it's just not that big of a deal. Or I can, you know, do this and like that. But I really hated using the bags. And maybe someday I'll go to the magnetic system, but right now I'm liking these books. Except for I really didn't like having to dig for the letters in there. So we'll see how this goes. I think I'll like this because I can just grab my little box and start die cutting my title, because I really like doing that. So, and I will take a picture of the little thing it's in too. So, and when you see the thing, it actually came with 9 drawers, but I took the top 3 drawers out and I use that to put extra pictures that I'm going to give to the family and things like that I printed out and didn't use, or you know, I ended up using a different size. So I'll put in a picture after this, and I'll see you tomorrow, and we'll do some more picking up, putting away. Thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful day.